usually videos I follow is Laura Shark is always out here now.
This is your home right here. This is your home. You can't touch that. I don't want you to touch it. Shut up.
Check that. You got to think about the circumstance. You're a 50-year-old man, you trying to press a little kid? That's what I'm saying. It was a grown-up man. Exactly. I know, you're fine. Exactly. So chill out. Everyone was shook. That fool was tweaking out too. Playing around 17-year-olds, 16-year-olds. If he pushed the 17-year-old, that's him putting his hands on a 17-year-old, like, right? Am I tripping? If he pushed the 17-year-old, is that putting your hands on a 17-year-old? Yeah. Putting your hands on a minor.
So, do you guys witnesses to this incident?
Yes. We were all right there. We're all in the street.
I was sitting right here.
Hold on, let him see.
Sitting right here.
This guy at the bar.
No, he was the guy with the he had a San Pedro shirt on, gray. He was at the bar. He came out the bar. Two security guards are right there. The guy put his hands on him. So when he put hands on him, he backed up in defense, and the guy pushed him again, and he gave him one, and the guy dropped, and it was over. He walked away. That's a 16-year-old kid. It ain't a fucking 30-year-old dude like that fool is. That fool was 50.
When it comes to a fight, it doesn't matter what age you are.
But like if
you
someone
knock somebody out, it can be.
That's self-defense, right? Come on, at some point, like you gotta protect yourself. Like if somebody's attacking me, what am I supposed to do? Just sit there and take it? That's a little kid. I felt bad for my boy.
Curious, why is a 16-year-old at a bar?
There was a party right there at that. We were walking down. Went to a warehouse, and we were walking down, and he came out and started a problem with a 15-year-old kid. That's what we're saying.
It smells like you guys have all been drinking. I can smell it from here.
This is why you don't talk to the police. You don't explain nothing to them. You don't. I mean, don't do it to protect your friend. Just don't. See, look at. See, this is what's happening.
Come on, man.
Smell it from here.
I'm drinking, yeah.
I can tell you guys have all been drinking.
Yeah. But that's also
what's going on right now. We're gonna go try to find the guy, and we're gonna find out if he can identify your buddy and see what's going on. We gotta investigate this further. But the fact that you guys have all been drinking and not being cooperative with the officers, that's the reason we're all here.
But the security guards didn't cooperate. I said, this is my friend, little ass kid. He doesn't mean no harm. The kid going somewhere for baseball. He goes to Sarah, not drink.
Are they free to go? I think you guys should just go.
No, we're witnesses.
That's our brother.
I know. Okay, I mean, stop talking to them.
This is your
Just
brother?
stop talking to them.
Luca.
That's not my literal brother. I say my best friend.
Were you around that area, or you just?
No, I record the police because they violate people's rights, but it's never a good idea to talk to them. If you're not, I know you think you're witnesses, but even as a witness, see how they're sucking you into, oh, you've been drinking and you're underage. Just don't talk to them. If they need your witness testimony, they'll call you to court. I mean, you shouldn't talk to them. I mean, when it comes to this, like, they don't care. They're gonna.
Just because they're drinking.
You never actually
Stupid, bro. Little ass kid is gonna get pressed by a grown ass man, and he's mad because the kid. You're not gonna
You
push.
shouldn't explain anything to the police. You should never explain anything to the police.
Just gonna push a little kid and then.
Yeah, but they don't. It's none of their business.
Stupid.
All they're here to do is arrest you.
They tried to get
No. I have a YouTube channel.
Grown ass man. Hey, what's up with you?
Yeah, what else
The
happened?
police over there.
We'll get there. We'll get there. But don't. You're gonna help them. anything you say to them is against you. You know, whatever you say to the police, they'll use against you. That's what their job is. Look at him for that guy.
So my thing is, the security guards out there saw witnesses. So why aren't they going to that bar and asking?
They'll get there because they're worried about you guys now. You guys made a spectacle of yourself.
Kid, are you serious? Like, come on, bro. That guy. I feel bad for him. He's talking? Oh shit, that one's a laughter. I don't think that nigga's back, bro. He's just in hell. Hey, Kofax, shut up. Kofax, be quiet.
Hey, back us out there. Back on the sidewalk.
Kofax, be quiet.
Back on the sidewalk. Luca. Hey, back on the sidewalk.
I'm not trying to tell my friends the police trips are low.
Okay, keep ruining for all you guys. On the sidewalk. You too. Drop the street. Get up. Your buddy ruined it. Off. Down here. Get out of here. Your buddy ruined it for all you guys. Sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk. Next person steps off so you get a ticket for walking on the street.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear again?
Oh, dude. I'm just trying to talk to my friend. Okay. Tell me to shut up, and he needs to shut up and just stop talking. Is this? Right?
Yes. I'm going to cite you if you step outside off the curb.
Don't even step off this. No point. Why get cited tonight? For what? Stepping off the jaywalking when we're not jaywalking?
Okay, I'm
Stop
sorry.
talking,
How old are you?
dude. Stop talking.
17? Okay, what time is it right now? Okay. You want a ticket for being outside Escort?
Stop talking to them.
How about you? How old are you?
Just don't say anything. Don't explain nothing. Don't say anything. Don't
So
answer.
don't make this any harder for you guys, okay? Let us do our thing, okay, and we'll be on our way.
That's what I'm saying. Just let them fucking handle. I'm trying to tell this fool.
No,
Stop talking, dude.
this is where. This is where.
Just stop.
Okay? Hey, your buddy's not going to jail. We're going to take him home to his parents. His parents home?
I'm sure they are. Call him home.
No, don't call his mom. You're going to scare her. We're going to call her. Just hang around. I got to talk to you guys.
Logan!
Hey.
Logan!
If you're not detained, you should go.
Huh?
If you're not detained, you should go.
No, it's good. Thank you. Appreciate it. They didn't even know I actually did not get a video of what happened. No, not that. I'm not doing my own. I'm not concerned about that. Unique video. Hey, you got a video of video. He wants to see the video. Well, it looked like this video you got to filming under the handcuffs. No, he wants to see the video. Oh, yeah, because he saw what happened in the story. This isn't a story. I can say this. The cops were super nice about it. No, they were super nice. We were mad about him being detained and thrown on the floor because an elderly. He's a minor. He's a minor. And
I think I have it, sir. I think I have it.
No, but what I'm trying to find out, did he fall? Was he thrown? I have to know.
The cops were put on the floor. I would say he was put on the floor, not thrown, but he was put on the floor. Wait, say he was put on the floor.
He wasn't resisting.
He was confused. So it's like
Listen to me. As close as these guys are to the cop, if you've been drinking, they can smell it. Second of all, any information you give them at this point, they're going to use against you and your friend. Your friend has no adult to take custody of him. So they're really gearing towards their arrests. And more than one arrest is a success to them. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is so stupid. Don't show them your video. Don't explain anything. I mean, this is really just making me really pissed. Look at all these kids close to the cops. If they smell alcohol on any of your ass, on any of you, you're done.
Alright, we're gonna take him to his grandmother's house. Call his parents and go back to jail. Alright? You guys need to catch him. None of you guys are.
Coach O, you good? Chilling?
Let's go, guys.
Alright, appreciate it. Have a good night, officers. Coach O, get on safe, brother. Papa Coco. Hey, big Coco's chilling. We need some new cops in this city. Thank you guys. Have a great night.
A lot of people are in it.
Is that going that way?
Yes, sir.
That's his?
Yes.
What's up with your nails? Ready?
Logan,
What's up with that question?
we're coming after you. Wait for me. We're making sure to get an Uber home.
So what's up with that question?
Simon, me and Luke.
What do you want her to say? Fake nails?
No, you know what?
Choklaya.
Are you a stringer?
Am I a stringer?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
What's your name? This is Sergeant. Sergeant.
Sorry, what?
What's your name?
Sergeant Medina.
Medina?
Yes.
I'm Laura Shark.
Hello, Laura.
Hello. This is kind of a textbook situation. Don't do this. Don't think that you're helping your buddy by explaining anything to the cops. You're gonna hurt yourself. Only reason these guys didn't go to jail is because I was there.